This 5-minute solution will show you how to view Wi-Fi password on iPhone. If you're a iOS 17 user, you will be able to see your Wi-Fi password in just few steps. So first of all, go to your iPhone settings and tap on General, tap on Software Update, and here make sure to update the iOS 17. Once done, it's time to view Wi-Fi password. So open your iPhone settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on this info icon or eye icon next to the Wi-Fi you are using, and here you will get the password option. So tap on it, and now you have to verify using your Face ID or your passcode. Once you verified, you will be able to see your Wi-Fi password here. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.